guys, welcome to Jacob's World. Guess what? Today, this thing came in. We're doing an unboxing video for an old phone. For my old phone. So you have to open this a perfect way. Oh, got the USB port charger for my old iPhone. The iPhone 4. Go ahead and open this thing up. It came in with two port cables. One for the other one and one for the second one. Let's go get a port. Let's go find one of my sister's room. She might have. I think I found the perfect one for my phone. We're gonna go borrow one of her chargers to work on the iPhone 4. Let's see if it does. So we got this, which I can use on the iPhone 4. Okay, let's go and wrap this thing. Actually, this thing can stay over here, but we're unboxing this. We're unwrapping this. So as you guys know, this is a charger. As you guys know, this is a charger for $8, and it's still workable today. It still works today. Now we're gonna go test it. iPhone 4, go plug it in. Perfect. Let's go find a beautiful spot where to charge it. This right here is beautiful. Okay, let's go plug it in. Okay. Yes. Okay, we got the battery. Okay, we got the battery, guys. I hope it turns on. And it just blacked out. Man, I haven't even used this phone in a long time, guys. Can't wait to use this phone again. It's already inside the charger. Let's go boot it. I wonder if we can boot up the charger on. Yes, this charger's nearly brand new. Well, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, hit the like button. Don't forget to link in the comments. Bye!